Hi friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics 3.7.4 Solved Problems. In that problem number 3, a variable straight line drawn through the point of intersection of the straight lines x by a plus y by b equal to 1 and x by b plus y by a equal to 1 meets the coordinate axis at a and b. Show that the locus of the midpoint of AB is 2 into a plus b into xy equal to ab into x plus y. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to show that the locus of the midpoint of AB is 2 into a plus b into xy equal to ab into x plus y. And given that the variable straight line passing through the point of intersection of given lines or meets the coordinate axis at a and b. Given lines are in the intercept form, then we will take line 1 meets coordinate axis at a and b. Then the points are a of a comma 0 and b of 0 comma b. The locus point is the midpoint of a and b. First, we find the point of intersection of given lines. That point of intersection lies on the required line. By using all these conditions, we will prove the problem or condition value. Now, we will solve the problem. Solution. Given straight line equations are x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is equation number 1. X by b plus y by a equal to 1. This is equation number 2. First, we convert equations 1 and 2 into general form. For that, take 1 implies x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Here take AB as LCM, then BX plus AY by AB equal to 1. From this, BX plus AY equal to AB. Then finally, BX plus AY minus AB equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Next, we take second equation. 2 implies x by b plus y by a equal to 1. Here also take AB as LCM, then AX plus BY by AB equal to 1. From this, AX plus BY equal to AB, then AX plus BY minus AB equal to 0. This is equation number 4. The point of intersection of 1 and 2 is same as the point of intersection of 3 and 4 because equation 3 is the general form of equation number 1 and equation 4 is the general form of equation number 2. Solve equations 3 and 4, we have. Here we solve these two equations by using the rule of cross multiplication. Next, from these values, y coefficient constant, x coefficient, y coefficient values. After that, x by minus a square b plus ab square equal to y by minus a square b plus ab square equal to 1 by b square minus a square. From this, x by minus a square b plus ab square equal to 1 by b square minus a square. Next, x equal to minus a square b plus ab square by b square minus a square. Here in in numerator, take ab as common and in denominator, apply the formula x square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y formula. Then x equal to ab into minus a plus b by b plus a into b minus a. Cancel the b minus a terms, then x equal to ab by a plus b. Next, y by minus a square b plus ab square equal to 1 by b square minus a square. Then y equal to minus a square b plus ab square by b square minus a square. Here also we take AB as common in numerator and apply the formula x square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y formula in denominator. Then y equal to AB into minus a plus b by b plus a into b minus a. Cancel the b minus a terms, then y equal to ab by a plus b. Therefore, the point of intersection P equal to AB by A plus B, comma AB by A plus B. Let Q of x1, comma y1 be any point on the locus. Next, the x and y intercepts of equation 1 are x-intercept equal to A and y-intercept equal to B. The line 1 meets the coordinate axis at the points A and B. Then these points are A equal to A comma 0 and B equal to 0 comma B. According to the problem, the locus of point is the midpoint of AB. Then Q of x1 comma y1 equal to the midpoint of AB. Apply the formula x1 plus y1 by 2 comma x2 plus y2 by 2. Then Q of x1 comma y1 equal to a plus 0 by 2 comma 0 plus b by 2. From this, Q of x1 comma y1 equal to a by 2 comma b by 2. We know the formula: if any two points are equal, then their coordinates are also equal. From that, x1 equal to a by 2, then 2x1 equal to a. From this, a equal to 2x1. Similarly, next y1 equal to b by 2, then 2y1 equal to b. From this, b equal to 2y1. Then substitute a comma b values in equation 1, comma we have. Then 1 implies x by 2x1 plus y by 2y1 equal to 1. And also we know P is the point of intersection of equations 1 and 2. Then P also passes through the line 1. Then substitute the point P in above equation, comma we have. Then AB by A plus B whole divided by 2x1 plus AB by A plus B whole divided by 2y1 equal to 1, because the point of intersection value is AB by A plus B, comma AB by A plus B. These values are substituted in the above equation: x by 2x1 plus y by 2y1 equal to 1. Then after simplification, AB by 2x1 into A plus B plus AB by 2y1 into A plus B equal to 1. Here take 2x1 y1 into A plus B as LCM. Then AB y1 plus AB x1 by 2x1 y1 into A plus B equal to 1. Taking cross multiplication, then AB x1 plus AB y1 equal to 2x1 y1 into A plus B. From this, AB into x1 plus y1 equal to 2x1 y1 into A plus B. Therefore, the required locus equation is AB into x plus y equal to 2xy into A plus B. This is the required problem solution. 3.7.4 solved problems. In that, problem number 4. If a, b, c are in arithmetic progression, then show that the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents a family of concurrent lines, and find the point of concurrency. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given that the three numbers a, b, c are in arithmetic progression. Then we have in arithmetic progression the point b equal to a plus c by 2. Then from this we write 2b equal to a plus c. And also we have to show the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represent a family of concurrent lines with the above line. From this, two lines, we have to find the point of concurrency. Now we have to solve the problem. Solution. If given a, b, c are in arithmetic progression, then we have 2b equal to a plus c. From this we have to write a minus 2b plus c equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And also given equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is equation number 2. On observing equations 1 and 2, we understand that the equation 1 becomes a into 1 plus b into minus 2 plus c equal to 0. This is equation number 3. On observing equations 2 and 3, we understand that here x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2. Then the equations 1 and 2 are having the point x comma y equal to 1 comma minus 2. Then equations 2 and 1 are in same, passes through the same point. Then these lines are family of concurrent lines. From this, the point of concurrency is 1 comma minus 2. Therefore, the point of concurrency equal to 1 comma minus 2. This is our required problem solution. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.